No, anything with the back, no. It's like, say hi. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. Hey guys. Okay. Alright. Come here. Come here. That's cute. I was rolling the bird poop. You did. I was rolling the bird poop. Sorry if I missed your comments, guys. I'll go back and I'll watch them on the replay. Yeah, give Watson some hearts. He's like so sad right now. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the purple hearts. Thank you. Enough water. Now it's time for the bad stuff. Yeah. Here we go. Let's get some of this on there. Yeah. You're gonna be nice and clean. You're gonna be nice and clean. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Sorry if I'm missing your comments, guys. Oh. Did you want bird poop? Did you want bird poop? Did you? Sure. Come here. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? This is Watson. He's a rescue dog and he rolled in bird poop today. Yes, he did. He rolled in bird poop today. Oh, sorry, I'm like kind of in the way. Yeah. Now you're not going to smell like bird poop. It's good. Yeah. Good job, Watson. Yeah. Can you get a better angle? Because I feel like I can't. What are you doing now? Stay in there. Stay in there.
Pretty good angle.
Trying to make it escape. It's because of this awesome tripod you got me. Am I in there?
No, kind
of. Oh, he's not happy with me. Come here, we gotta get the under tummy. As opposed to the over tummy. Come here. Yeah, let's get that belly. Let's get the belly. Let's get the belly. We're world's first dog bath scope. Probably not, but it's the world's first one over here. Yes, it is. You're a scope star. You're a scope star. Yes, you are. He's doing a shower scope, but he's doing it his style.
Watson, are you doing a shower scoop?
Yo, I like to sing into the banana. Wee, la 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 la. La 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 la. I really want to get out of here. Can you just hurry up, Mom?
Dad, help me.
Please get me out of here. Oh God, you got me so wet, Watson. Why? Do you have like a towel we could put here?
You didn't get a towel?
No. Should I just use this one? It's pretty nasty. Look how like dirty it is.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. We got a winner, guys. We got a towel. Yeah, I don't have a towel. I just have like all these lights that are plugged into each other. That are getting covered in water. What?
You should plug them in.
I'm not gonna plug them in. Stop trying to sneak away from me, dog. Come here. You're gonna be okay. You are going to be okay. Yeah. You're gonna be okay. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. Mommy, hurry, I'm done. I want out. Mommy, hurry. All right, back down one more time. Back down one more time. There you go. Yeah. There's a good boy. There's a good boy. Yeah. See, it's not that bad. Except when it gets in your ears. Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Alright. Where are you? Whee. Okay. I think you're clean. Wanna do a shake? Wanna do a shake? Wanna do a shake, shake, shake? Take the lemon out, because the lemon is clearly what was holding all of the water in. Yeah, do you want this? Do you want this lemon? Do you want this lemon? Yeah. Okay. Now we need to dry you off. Yes, we do. Now we need to dry you off. Yeah, we do. Mom, let me out. Let me out. Come here. I'll get you out. I'll get you out. Hold on. Hold on. Let me dry you off a little bit. Let me dry you up just a little bit. Yeah. Sorry guys, I can't see the comments right now. I catch like one every like 10 comments. Oh, yes. He's still nice and dry. Oh, yes he is. Oh, yes he is. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. We got a wet dog. We got a really wet dog. Oh, we got a really wet dog. Come here. Oh my god, Watson. Stay, stay, stay. You're covered in wet. Stay. Stay. No, 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 no. Stay there, stay there. Stay there. You just got my phone so wet. Stay. Stay. No, no, stop shaking. Stop shaking. Please stop shaking. Come here, dog. Come here. You gonna stay over there? Is that where you're gonna stay? Will we dry you off? Yeah? There's people watching you. You have 21 people watching you. Yes, you do. Oh, no. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. I've got a monster. And the monster is under the blanket. Come here, monster. Come here, monster. Come here, monster. Come here. Come here. Where's the monster? Where's the Watson? Where are you? Watson, where are you? Where are you, Watson? Where'd you go? Come here. Oh, Watson, are you drying yourself off? Watson, get all nice and dry. Guys, give him hearts for this. This is like my favorite thing that he does when he's wet. Okay, don't worry about it, Nikki. No worries. Love dogs after a bath. I know, they're so frisky. Ah! I'm not mad, sweetheart. I promise. And I promise that I would never say anything negative about you. Come here. Come here. Come here. We gotta dry you off. Come on. We gotta dry you off. His name is Watson. No, don't do that. all the way up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's not happy with this at all. He doesn't like this. Yeah, my other little dog does it too. Watson. Aim it up its ass. No, you fucker. That's really weird. It's not an it, it's a he. Okay. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Oh no. Come here. Come here. Let's get you all dry. Let's get you all dry. Yeah. Let's get you all dry. Let's get you all dry. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Watson. He's poor guy, my butt. He rolled in bird shit, and then he had to get a bath. No poor Watson. No poor Watson. Thank you. Hey, Justin, I noticed you came into my room last night. And have been. Not just last night. Look at this little thing. Look at this little thing. This is why you should rescue dogs, guys. Hello, Bjorn. I was telling you that you had to let us know ahead of time. So if you let the SACB group know ahead of time, then you're good. Oh, you let everybody know? All rescued dogs might roll in bird shit. Come here. Okay, let's get you dried up. Okay. I know, I'm really excited too. It's gonna start in the next couple weeks. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? Are you ready to go? Are you all done? Are you all done? Yeah? Okay. Let's see the dog being frisky. Let's see the frisky dog. Let's see the frisky dog. Let's see the frisky dog. Let's see your frisky dog. That's what I do. So, what are you gonna do? I have to get places. All right, come on. Oh yeah, the squatty pot. It's an easy GoPro. Somebody got us that for Christmas. Totally the shot. Da-na-na-na-na. Walking with pepper spray. Yeah, that was me. Come on, frisky boy. I have your ball. Oh my gosh, I have your ball. Do you want to go play? Ah! Brock, I am following you, so. What is that? What is that noise? Here, ready? Ready? Go. Yes. Did you just get a bath? Did you just get a bath? Did you just get a bath? Yeah, are you excited? Did you just get a bath?
Did you dry him?
Yeah, I dried him. I dried him with a towel and a hairdryer.
No, he's gonna do that all over the house.
Oh my gosh. Come on, buddy.
Get back in there. Go back in there.
The towel is saturated. Come on, let's go. We gotta go back in. Daddy says. Come on.
More hair dryer.
Come on, buddy. We gotta get more hair dryer. Come on.
Go back to
Watson, come.
Go back to the Ratchet Salon.
Phone was like, awesome.
Bananas Ratchet Salon.
Come on. Pass the Bananas Ratchet Dog Salon. Let's go. Come on.
Oh.
No, you gotta come back. You gotta come back to the Ratchet Salon. He is. He's like, no. He's trying to run away, guys. Stay. No, I thought I thought this was over. This was supposed to be over, guys. This was supposed to be over. Why am I in here? Please let me go. Please let me go. He's just like, please no. Can somebody screenshot that? I'm gonna screenshot that. Okay. You ready, buddy? I'm really sorry. I'll put it on low. I'll put it on low. No, don't put it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, look at that foot. Look at that foot. Look at that foot. Look at this little butt dance. Yeah, his butt's so bad. Okay, that poor little guy. I know I'm torturing him over here. I'm torturing him. Somebody should call animal control. But I can slowly send it to the group and go check. Okay, no, get back to it. Watson, come here. Come on. Come on, here. Come on. Wanna go? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's a trick! Ah! I got you! No! Watson, come back here. Watson and his big back. Big butt. It's not me. We need to blow dry him. Running away. Thank you. He says thank you. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. But then it's something he has to get. He's like, oh. Okay. He doesn't like it. He doesn't want it. He's scared. He's scared of it. We don't want him to be scared. No, we don't want him to be scared. No. I'll get it with the towel, okay? Is that better? Would you be better with that? Yeah, just let me out of here. Please. Please. And just don't make me come back again to your ratchet salon. Whee! I'm back out, yay! Come here, Watson. Come here, let's play ball. Come here, give it to me. Sadly, our dogs are not allowed to have treats, like of any kind. Get it. Because they both have had really bad pancreatitis. Come back here. Well, I think that's about all she wrote. I think he's done. I think he's like, no, yeah, that was enough for tonight. We done. So, Watson got a bath. Yeah, he's got bathroom trauma now. But I will see you guys later on, tomorrow. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. And thanks for joining Watson's Bath Time. And if you ever need to come to Carrie's Ratchet Salon, aka PassTheBananas Ratchet Dog Salon, you know where to find me. So you're seriously drying him more? What do you mean I don't know how to dry? I did my best.
Your hair looks really scrubbed.
I
Come on, buddy.
I tried. He just didn't like it.
You gotta tell him who's boss.
Now he's getting like a rub down, poor guy. He's like, oh my god, this is never gonna end. My life is over. I'm gonna go roll in more bird poop though. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Mwah. Good night.